In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to multiple recipients in Outlook. We'll cover 3 easy methods: forwarding a single email, setting up an automatic rule to forward incoming messages, and creating a contact group so you can send to many people using just one name. Each method fits a different situation, and I'll show you when to use which. First, let's look at how to forward a single message. Open the email you want to share so you can view its contents. On the Home tab, click Forward. Outlook will open a new message window with the original email included, either quoted or attached. In the to CC or BCC fields, type the addresses of everyone you want to receive it. You can separate multiple addresses using commas or semicolons. Use to for people who need to take action, CC for those who just need visibility, and BCC if you want to hide recipient information for privacy. Add a short note if needed, confirm that all attachments are included, and click Send. Next, let's set up automatic forwarding using a rule. Go to File, choose Manage Rules Alerts, and click New Rule. Pick Apply Rule on messages I receive. You can choose specific conditions, or apply it to all incoming mail if you want everything forwarded. Click Next, then check Forward it to people or public groups. Click the underlined link to choose your recipients from your address book. After selecting them, click Finish. This is perfect for team workflows or when you want someone else to always receive the same messages you do. Keep in mind that some organizations block external forwarding, so check your policies if needed. Finally, let's create a contact group to simplify addressing. Switch to the People view, click Home, and choose New Contact Group. Give your group a clear, memorable name. Select Add Members, choose Contacts or Address Book Entries, and use Control-Click to select multiple people at once. Click OK, then save close.